Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you fix your account cannot access most Google services. So guys, if you have logged in your Google account in your device and you see this error and you are unable to use some Google services on your device, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, from here you have to simply log in your Google account, and after this you will see the take steps option from here. So guys, here you can see the option for take steps. You have to simply tap on this button, and after this you will see the appearance like this. So guys, from here you have to simply verify that it's you and you are not a robot. So guys, basically this happens when Google doubts your account whether it is used by a robot or a computer. So guys, here you can see this. You have to simply tap on confirm you are not a robot from here. So guys, here you can see this, and after this you will see the appearance like this, and from here you have to simply tap on Gmail button from here. So guys, from here you can see you are unable to access Gmail account on your Google account. So guys, here you can see this, you cannot use your email, and the error is also given here that it looks like Gmail has been used to send unwanted content. So guys, your Gmail has been used to send unwanted content. That's why you are facing this problem. So guys, from here you have to simply tap on submit appeal from here. So guys, here you can see the button for submit appeal. You have to simply tap on this and you will see the appearance like this in this box. So guys, here you can see this. You have to simply explain your problem in a brief way, and you have to explain it that you are not a robot and your account is mistakenly suspended. So guys, from here you have to simply explain your problem in a brief way, and after this you have to simply submit this report to the Google team. So guys, they will review this appeal, and hopefully after this your problem will be fixed and you will be able to use your account very smoothly. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.